Hello, my name is Caroline Mackin, and I'm a Geoscience Ambassador at the University of Texas at Austin. I would say I first became really interested in the geosciences when in first grade my family took a trip to Colorado and we stopped at a gold mine. Although I wasn't super excited to stop at the gold mine, I soon learned about iron pyrite, which started a false gold rush, and then rose quartz, which is this really pretty pink mineral, and amethyst, which is super purple. And I saw a bunch of jewelry with amethyst and rose quartz, and of course it kind of piqued my interest. And so I picked up a little handbook on rocks and minerals. Although that was probably the first time I really became interested in the geosciences, I would say the turning point for me was when Hurricane Harvey hit Houston, Texas, my hometown. The week before I was supposed to start my freshman year of high school, a big hurricane came in and completely wrecked my city. I saw pictures of my middle school and high school, and water was all the way up past the desks, and they had to completely tear out the floors and the walls, and so my start to high school was delayed. My family was without power for days. Neighbors were pulling tree branches off the roofs. Friends were being evacuated by motorboats on the same streets that I had just recently driven on. Seeing the way that nature could cause such destruction, even in our modern world, kind of pushed me to further explore the atmospheric sciences in the geoscience division. I since then have continued to be interested in natural disasters. At UT, I'm currently working in a research group to study glacier retreat in Greenland and how this affects our rising sea levels. Although I really love this, I also hope to use my geophysics degree to continue studying glacier retreat as well as with seismology. And after completing my undergraduate years, I hope to go into grad school to continue studying seismology. Although I found my love and interest for the geosciences, I applied to become a geoscience ambassador to help promote the subject in our younger populations. It was my first grade self who really became interested in our Earth's rocks and minerals, and it was my freshman high school self that found interest in the severity of our natural disasters on Earth. Grade school is such a critical point in children's discovery and interests, and so by being an ambassador, I have worked to create a few Girl Scout lesson plans that will help the Girl Scouts get involved and see pretty rocks and minerals, just like I became interested in that. And then different types of volcanoes, and then dikes and spikes in our Earth. I hope that these lesson plans will be used for many Girl Scout troops so that I can work to instill a sense of curiosity in the geosciences in younger children.